Oh, that's awesomeness. Oh! I have that blue-eyed gene. Oh. That's a lot of snow. That is a lot. Holy crap. This is nuts. It's really nice and powdery though. Ah, this is good stuff. It's kind of fun to shovel actually, except it's so light and powdery. It's not wet. This is good. So, it is the 4th day of spring now. 2024, New Hampshire. Everybody watching, you are beautiful and loved. And here we are, being humans on this amazing blue and green marble. Wow. Hear the birds chirp. Blue sky today. We're gonna go feed the birds actually, so let's get plowing through this snow. Da, 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 da. It is so deep. So deep. Da, 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 da. Just look how wonderful it is here. That's good, now I can open that door. Hey Jasper, hey Rascal. Let's grab a ruler to go measure the snow. And let's grab some bird seed to feed these birdies. Check it out, dudes. There we go. Nice and topped off there. Let's go feed these birds, friends. These birds are gonna really appreciate this. We're gonna go do another cupful. Everything's so amazing in the world. Everything's amazing. Amazing, everything's amazing in the world. Everything's amazing. Amazing. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, let's go get this bird seed. This snow is like proper. Oh man, this is so epic. All right, now let's go get the ruler. We got the ruler. We are the ruler of our lives. We've got the ruler. We are the ruler of our lives. We've got oh, it's so nice to be in the soft snow. Oh, this feels like awesomeness. Dudes, look, we're totally chilling in the snow. Ah, it's like the most comfy bed. Ah, perfectly fitted to your body. Like a Tempur-Pedic mattress, no matter which way you move. Ah, the glorious life we live. And it's funny because this is free. The best things in life are. Ah, how lovely. We got some more bird seed, and when I'm feeling like it, we're gonna bring this bird seed on over to that wood plank above me. For right now, we're just enjoying this blue sky. Blue sky. Not a cloud in the sky. It's so wonderful. Ah. All right, friends. We're getting up from our nice, comfy Tempur-Pedic mattress. We're gonna take that ruler and we're gonna measure that. Let's put our bird seed down here. Nice and cozy. So right here on the lawn, we just stick her on in. Are you kidding me? Wait, that's insane. There's no, are you kidding me? Wait. What? No way. I didn't think we got 18 inches. What? What? Dudes, that's f***ing nuts. That's bananas. Alrighty, we got it cleared. I cannot believe that this read 18 inches. So I'm gonna test it over here. Oh my God, I swear, I think it is. This ground had not an inch of snow on it before the snowstorm. This ground had not an inch of snow on it before the snowstorm, I swear. And what we're gonna see now, okay. I seriously think that we got 18 inches of snow. I am shocked. No, we did. We got 18 inches of snow. We got 18 inches of snow. We got 18 inches of snow. We got freaking 18 inches of snow. That's nuts, dude! We got 18 inches of snow. Ooh, ooh. We got 18 inches of freaking snow, my dudes. We're in the Tempur-Pedic bed now. We're in the snow Tempur-Pedic bed. Rolling around, loving life, yeah. Skitty! Guys, life is so great when you're in the snow because you just get to go like this. Oh, that's awesomeness. Oh, that's great. Oh, yeah. We gotta go for another one. Oh, this is so cozy and comfy and soft and quiet. Fresh snow. And after a snowstorm, look at those blue skies. The magic of technology. I'm alone right now, but I don't feel alone because I know that on your screen, you're seeing this experience. And in some way, I guess you're here with me. How beautiful. How absolutely, tremendously beautiful. We're gonna get up and try it again. Up from the snow, up from the snow, up from the snow, up from the snow. Yo. Oh man, whether you're a child, an adult, a boy, a girl, or anything in between, please fall into some deep, soft, fluffy, fresh snow and experience the bliss, experience the wonder of the snow. It is beautiful, friends. It is beautiful, beautiful. Let's go try it over there. Here, come on. Let's go try it over here. Okay, I'm gonna fall right here. I'm gonna fall right here. 3, 2, 1. Oh! The chilly snow's on my face, dudes. The chilly snow's on my face, dudes. Yo, I am the abominable snowman. The birds. The birds are back. Oh, right. I'm feeding the birds. Here, come on. So we seriously did get... It's freaking nuts, dudes. We got freaking 18 inches of snow. Look at this. We got 18 inches of snow. There was not a snow. There was not an inch of snow on the ground before this storm. And check it out. Right in the sun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna put you down right there with it. Dun, 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 dun. Boom. Freaking, can you see that, dudes? 18 inches right freaking there, dudes. That is bananas. That is bonkers. That is crazy cool. Speaking of crazy cool, why not fall? Why not fall into a Tempur-Pedic bed again? This is so nice. I'll feed the birds once I get a quick breath in here. Wow. All right, let's get up. Feed these birdies. Birdies, birdie, 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 birdies, birdies, birdie, 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 birds, birdies. Just fall. Why not fall again? This is the greatest. I wish my whole bed was made of soft material so I could just fall everywhere. So we got the bird seed now. Donk, 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 donk. Donka dong dong dong. Donka dong 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 dong. Got the birdseed all lined up there. Well, let's go throw the rest of the birdseed. Let's go throw the rest of the birdseed over here under this nice tree. Ready? And voila! A nice pile. A nice pile so the birds can feast for a while. All right, let's go clear off the snow off the car. Gotta grab my ruler and we'll be on our way. 18 inches of snow, my dudes. 18 inches. Oh, another thing about the snow is it's so fun to run in because it's so soft. Here, we'll put the seed cup there with the ruler. And let's go clear off the car. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely bananas. This is monkey brains over here. Look at this. Look at this nuts. My car is freaking... Gotta dig this car out. Oh, this is nuts. Oh, this is so nuts. Oh my God. Karate chop. Dude, this is crazy. This is wildness. This is nuts, dudes. I cannot believe that it's the 4th day of spring and we got this much freaking snow. I'm gonna remember this type of thing for the rest of my life. The rest of my life, dudes. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Timber. All right, so the plan is we gotta oh my God, this is nuts. The plan is to get all the snow off of the car and then to get the the shovel in here to get all this snow out the front. The GoPro battery is gonna die, but I'm glad you guys got to see it this much. This has been the craziest snow day I've ever had in spring. Ever, dudes! Peace out, y'all. You're so loved. You're so loved. You are so loved. Just by being you.